Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be going on the Disney Fantasy. I can't wait. We're going on a 7-night Western Caribbean. We just got here. Here, I'll show you guys. Look at it. I love it. This is one of my all-time favorite ships of Disney. Like, it's just my favorite. So I can't wait. So let's go and get on.
Oh my gosh, look at it!
Okay, so since I'm just waiting, I'm going to give you guys a little bit of the Disney Cruise Line app. It's this app. You're going to want to download it. It's free. So this is where you're going to see like literally everything. It's going to tell you the ship time. If you go to explore, here's this. You'll be able to see all the daily activities, all the characters that are meeting that day, and you can see different days too. It's like you go to day 2, day 3, all of them, and it'll tell you everything on that day. Here you can find, like right at the top, you can find a picture of the deck plans. Like if you ever want to know where something is, you just go here and it'll tell you everything. Then you have My Plan. So My Plans, you can favorite things and then it'll pop up in your plans. We're probably gonna go try to do Cabanas. If Cabanas is super full, we will try to just go eat on the deck. And then we have a mandatory safety drill at 4. We decided to eat at Cabanas. There's not many people here compared. I'm shocked. When we went on the Magic, everybody was at Cabanas, but here there's like nobody. I just got an assortment of stuff. You can do it. Here, we'll do it together. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Okay, we got a couple different desserts. This is an Oreo cheesecake. This is a chocolate mousse. Here's the carrot cake. And this is the apple crumble. This is the carrot cake. Oh, it even has a little carrot. That's so cute. Now that one's really good. That was really, really good. That's a good carrot cake. We're gonna do this and then we're gonna go maybe check out the room if it's ready. Okay, here they are. This is 9632. Okay, let's go in. Oh my gosh, this is where we're gonna be staying today. Oh my gosh, look at it. This is so big. Like, this is massive. I love it. Got our bed, got all of this. This is amazing. I love it. Plus, I need to go see the balcony though. This is literally the best part. There we go. Look at it. It's really loud right now, but oh my gosh. I can't wait. I love it. It's so great out here. I love it. Oh, and they're fixing stuff. Look. Huh. Fixing stuff up there. Well, fun. This is where we're going to be staying for the next 7 days. Can't wait. I love it though. This room is so big. It's great. I love it. We have so much space. I'm not used to the family verandas. We normally have 2 rooms, so we don't normally stay in family verandas very often. But that just means that we have a bunk bed and this, which makes the room longer. But I mean, look at the amount of space we have. I love it. I can't wait. Okay, off to the safety drills. Okay, we finished the mandatory safety drill, and now it's over, and now we are going to watch the sail-away party. But it is really, really hot out here, like very hot. But now only 10 more minutes till the sail-away party. Along. We finished the mandatory safety drill. We sailed away. Well, technically we're not sailed away fully yet. We are still just sitting here. I'm not quite sure why, but you know, but yeah, so we're gonna get a drink and then we're gonna go to the sports simulator. I didn't realize this until my last cruise, but you can get olives and cheeses and whatever these are, breads. After 6 o'clock. They do sweets in the morning at the Cove Cafe, and then they do all of this stuff. But they're really good, so definitely go and check them out. Okay, so we're heading to dinner. We get to go to Royal Court tonight, so that'll be fun. It's not formal night, so I'm just going in what I wore on the boat. We went to the sports simulator today, which was super fun. And then after that, we went and got like some sort of like little like snack things, so that was fun. And so now we're going to Royal Court, so that'll be fun. So let's go and eat. We're a little late. It's already almost 8:15. Look at Goofy! Now to go inside. They're so cute. My mom did them. She did all of these. Like she did the paper and printed them out and then did all of that. It's so cute. I love it. Those are our names on this door. And then the others on this one. I love them. Look at the crab. So cute. And look at all these chocolates. So cute they are. Oh, he's so cute. I love him. Okay, so now that I'm back in the room, dinner was really good. I liked the dessert. The dessert was really good. And pretty much the whole dinner was good. I loved the brie. The salad was good, and the salmon was pretty good. But yeah, that was kind of dinner, and that was kind of my entire embarkation day. We were able to get on and do a bunch of stuff. And so I'm super excited to be able to take you guys along on all of the days that I'm here. I know tomorrow maybe go to the coffee shop. We got the little cheese things today, but we did not get coffee, and one of my favorite things is their Fit mocha frappe. It is just one of my favorites. It is so good. So that was basically my whole day. Thank you guys so much for watching, and if you want to see more, then subscribe down below. Bye guys.